In this video, we will demonstrate how to create custom labels from an ARM trial. We will export the raw label data from the study and then use mail merge in Microsoft Word to create a label with a custom content structure and format. We begin in an ARM trial. Select File, Export Study, Raw Data Labels. Note that these options are also available in Print Reports under the Labels section. Now customize the export to include the desired label formats. Treatment line includes information for each treatment line component of the trial. If a given treatment number has multiple lines, then each of these components will have a label row in the export. Treatment includes information for each treatment number in the trial. If a given treatment number has multiple lines, then information from each component is concatenated with a plus sign. Multi-line treatment includes information for each treatment by application code combination. Multiple lines linked to the same application code then are printed on the same label on a second line of the label, as if concatenated with a carriage return, and thus the term multi-line. Plot includes information for each plot experimental unit in the trial. If selecting more than one label format, these can be either saved as individual files or combined into a single file. We will see later how to filter the different formats within the combined file. Then press OK, and then save the CSV export to file. Now this file can be used in another program to generate labels, like with a high-speed seed packet printer or a word processor. We are going to demonstrate this process with Microsoft Word, but the process should be similar in most word processors. First, create a new blank document. Under the Mailings tab, select Start Mail Merge, Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. Select Labels as the document type, and click Next to continue. Then select Change Document Layout to start from scratch with this blank document. Click Label Options to search for and select a format for the labels. Select Use an Existing List and browse for the CSV file created from ARM. Use the Mail Merge recipients to set a sort order or filter the data. The label type field corresponds to the different label formats chosen in ARM if we want to filter a combined file. We will filter to just the treatment label type, so we get a label for each treatment number. Now it's time to create the label contents. First, hand type the text prompt that describes the label data. Then, insert Merge field to add the label data. This inserts a placeholder surrounded by brackets. For a decoded explanation of all of the exported merge fields, see the cheat sheet on our website. After making changes to the first label, click Update Labels to propagate the changes to all labels on the page. Then click Preview Results to see the labels with actual trial data. You can add any of the data values from the labeled data export in any order. use any desired formatting, like bold, color, or text size, to customize the look of the labels. When the labels are ready, click Next to preview the labels one last time. Then complete the merge by either printing the labels now or use Edit Individual Labels to create a separate document of the actual label data without the linkage to the CSV file from ARM. To reuse this label template in the future with label exports from other trials, save the mail merge document. Use mailings, select recipients, use an existing list to use label data from a different study. Note that you need to use the same label format when exporting from ARM for this document.